These are Spy Cooper XL frames, and I'm going to show you how to remove and replace both lenses. First step in removing the lens is to pull outward on the upper portion of the frame while pushing downward on the inside of the lens, like so. Again, you pull outward on the frame and push downward on the lens. It should be fairly simple. Now, next step in replacing or reinstalling a lens is to take the far side or the far edge of your lens and place it into the grooves that are established on the far side of your frame. You just slide it and line it up, make sure that they are secure, and just pop it into place, like so. Again, far side of the lens into the far grooves of the frame, and just line them up, make sure it's snug, and push.